Are you stuck with an annoying error in your VLOOKUP formula? In the next 2 minutes, I will go over top 7 errors to get you on your way and back to your work. Number 1. No match found. The thing you're looking for isn't in the list you're looking in. Check the table to see if the value is actually there. Number 2. Incorrect range. The list you're searching in doesn't have the information you want. VLOOKUP only looks from the column you start in and to the right, so make sure the column you want is to the right of your starting point. In our example, the range should be letter E4 to F8, not F4 to G8. Number 3. Wrong index. This is a reference error, not an NA error. You're asking for a column that doesn't exist in the range you provided. The column number should start from 1, which is the first column of your specified range. In our example, we have 3, but there are only 2 columns in our table. Number 4. Data format mismatch. The thing you're looking for and the list you're looking in are different kinds of information. If you're looking for a word but the list is numbers, or vice versa, VLOOKUP can't find a match. In our example, 1 is actually coded as text, not as number. We need to change it to number to fix it. Number 5. Extra spaces. There might be extra spaces before or after your data. This can happen when you get information from other places. This usually happens with text. Use trim formula to get rid of any extra spaces. Number 6. Non-exact match. If you're allowing for close matches, and the first column of your list isn't sorted from smallest to largest, VLOOKUP might give you a wrong result or an error. Remember that if you don't specify, VLOOKUP defaults to approximate match. In our example, we should return 1, but are getting 4. To fix, put 0 at the end of the formula to make it exact match. Number 7. Array not locked. If you're using the same VLOOKUP formula in different cells, you need to make sure that the range you're looking in doesn't move when you copy the formula. You can do this by putting a $sign before the column letter. Quick way to do that is pressing F4. Google will also auto-suggest this fix. Leave a comment if you have specific questions with your VLOOKUP, and check description for additional resources. Subscribe for future Google Sheet quick tips.